Can Excel data validation rules build dynamic dependent dropdowns? Imagine filling out a form in Excel where choosing a category instantly updates the list of options available. That's what dynamic dependent dropdowns can do for your spreadsheets. They make data entry faster and more accurate by showing only relevant choices based on previous selections. Now, let's explore how you can set this up using data validation rules along with some advanced techniques. Starting with basic data validation, you create a drop-down list by selecting a range of cells with your options. To make this list dependent on another cell, you need to connect the two. One common method is to use the indirect function. This function turns a text string into a cell reference. For example, if you have a primary drop-down where you pick a category like fruits or vegetables, the secondary drop-down can use indirect to refer to a named range that matches the selected category. You need to set up named ranges for each category beforehand. When you select fruits, the secondary drop-down will only show items from the fruits named range. If you have a newer version of Excel, such as Excel 365 or Excel 2021, you can use dynamic array functions to make this process even smoother. Functions like unique, filter, and XLOOKUP can automatically generate lists based on your selections. For example, the filter function can pull only the items that match your chosen category. These functions spill their results into a range, which you can then reference directly in your data validation list. This means your dropdowns will update instantly whenever your source data changes, without needing to manually adjust named ranges. Another powerful approach involves combining XLOOKUP with data validation. XLOOKUP can return a list of items that correspond to your selected category. This list then feeds into the dependent dropdown, making it flexible and easy to update. For multi-level dependencies, you can chain these formulas to create a hierarchy of dropdowns, like choosing a country, then a state, then a city. To set this up practically, prepare your data with categories and their related items. Create named ranges for each category or use dynamic array formulas. Then, apply data validation to your drop-down cells, referencing either indirect or the spill range formulas. Make sure your source data is clean and free of blank cells to avoid errors. The benefits of using dynamic dependent dropdowns are clear. They help prevent mistakes by limiting choices to relevant options. They automatically adapt when your data changes, saving you time. And they can be extended to multiple levels, making your spreadsheets more interactive and professional looking. In summary, by combining data validation rules with functions like indirect, unique, filter, and XLOOKUP, you can build drop-down lists that change dynamically based on user choices. This is a key skill in advanced Excel techniques and automation, helping you create smarter, more responsive spreadsheets that make data entry easier and more reliable.